Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate weighted average in Excel. So let's open an Excel sheet, and as you can see, there are some values and weights which is given here. Okay, we will now calculate weighted average. So we have to put a formula for this, which is equals to sum product, open parenthesis, and the first array of the values, and then second array of the values, divided by we have to close the parenthesis, and then divided by sum, open parenthesis, and the weights which are given, and then close the parenthesis, click on enter. Here you can see it is the weighted average of our values. So yeah, this is how you can calculate weighted average. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching guys. Bye bye.